Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
हमारी यही है सभी जगह पूरे पुलिस स्टेशन में एक जिम होनी चाहिए या पुलिस स्टेशन के नियर बाई किसी कॉम्प्लेक्स में जिम होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि टाइम पुलिस को मिलता नहीं है बाहर जाने के लिए, घूमने के लिए। तो जितना भी शॉर्ट टाइम मिलता है उसमें अगर जिम में एक्सरसाइज कर लें तो उनकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी हो सकती है। ये बहुत मैं जीएसएल का और भी आभारी हूँ। कुछ दिनों पहले जीएसएल ने हमें एम्बुलेंस प्रोवाइड की थी, उससे पहले एटीवीज प्रोवाइड की थी, फॉर ड्राइविंग व्हीकल्स। इस तरह से देखा जाए तो जीएसएल ने सीएसआर के अंदर काफ़ी गोवा पुलिस को सपोर्ट किया है। तो मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ इनका कि ये सारी जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उस रिक्वायरमेंट को मीट करते हैं, क्योंकि आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम पुलिस पर्सनल अपने पुलिस स्टेशन में लगाता है, वो रहता भी है, यहाँ पे बैरक्स भी है। तो हमारी कोशिश है कि सब पुलिस स्टेशन को हर फैसिलिटी से लैस कर दें।
The District Road Safety Committee for South Goa had a special meeting which was convened to focus on the issue of taking action on fake helmets with regards to the notification of Bureau of Indian Standards, which will be implementable from 1st of June 2021, wherein no helmets which are not ISI marked will be able to be sold, manufactured, distributed anywhere in India. So in lieu of that, as there are many accidents taking place, and as per the Motor Vehicle Act, it is compulsory to wear a ISI mark helmet. There was a consensus that there needs to be an awareness created among the consumers of which are the authorities that can be approached for action in case the consumer faces a problem. And we are hoping that in the next 2 months, a proper awareness drive will be conducted.
E-Kendra services is going to provide a lot of relief to the lawyers as well as litigants, as now everything, the filings can be done online. Even in due course of time, you'll get all the full file will be able to be checked online. Once you are registered with the portal, you'll be able to obtain certified copies also online in due course of time. Now this is a good step which has been good system which has been put in place, as it will make life very easy for the lawyers as well as the litigants. The issue with the Chief Justice regarding the point evaluation system for judges. See, right now judges are evaluated on the basis of point system. Now sometimes we feel that not all officers, but sometimes the quality of the judgment is compromised because they are more concerned with the disposal of the cases rather than the quality of the judgment. So we have the Chief has asked us to make a representation, which we will be doing shortly. We raised the issue regarding the change in the High Court timings, as it is not convenient to the lawyer as well as litigant from the extreme north and south of Goa.
We have started the pre-monsoon work in both the constituencies, Margao as well as Hatauda. I have deputed 2 teams to clean up or take the pre-monsoon work. They will go to both the constituencies and take up the cleaning work. In addition to that, I have already directed my technical section to engage 50 labourers by way of contract labourer from the concerned agency, so that all the work which is pre-monsoon work, there are many work which are pending, so that it can be taken and we are ready for the coming monsoon.